when you're doing a test and you're in somewhat of a hurry, the temptation is just look quickly through the answers and pick the one that immediately seems like the right answer. And in the case of this question, that could lead to you picking the wrong one, because there are quite a few that seem very similar, in particular answers A and D. So what you've got to look for is which one of them is actually the right one, obviously. And the trick with this one is to look at the spacing of the shapes. So in the example, when the triangle is flipped over, there is no space between the baselines of the two triangles. So that's what you've got to look for with the squares. And D does have a square flipped over in the right direction, but there's a gap between the two baselines, whereas A doesn't have that. So you've got to look very carefully at all the possible answers given and try and figure out the subtle differences, and it may be based on things like the spacing between the shapes.